So let's get started. In this episode, I'll show how to use and quickly access emoji and symbols on your Mac with just the press of the function key, or on newer Mac keyboards, the globe. To set up this option, do the following. Open System Settings, click Keyboard, and for press function key 2, select Show Emoji and Symbols from the drop-down list. Here's how to use it. Just enter a commonly known word or phrase, then press function or globe key, then click on and press return on suggestions offered, or the down arrow button for more suggestions. If no suggestions offered, then the character viewer opens. Click a character or symbol to add to your text. Press function or globe, then click the button here to expand or collapse the character viewer. From here, to assign a favorite emoji or symbol, just click on an emoji or symbol, then click the Add to Favorites button. Click the action pop-up menu here to select character size from small, medium or large, as it appears here in the expanded character viewer. To clear frequently used characters, click the action pop-up menu and select it. And to customize which categories appear when you press the function or globe, click the action pop-up menu once again, then on Customize List. Select or deselect which categories appear, then click Done. When the character viewer is expanded, to add a character or symbol to your text, double click it. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, thumbs up if you liked this episode, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of the next upcoming episode. Peace.